Ukraine is trying to open up more crossways over Dnipro River. With this, the Ukrainian drone army helps to wear down Russia's resources and forces. Here, a Ukrainian drone finds crates of ammunition laying just next to the river. As the drone is very high to avoid detection, it drops a hand grenade. As the grenade falls down, it bounces out to the water, but detonates quickly after, resulting in fragments to detonate the ammunition in the crates, leading to a nice explosion taking out more Russian ammunition, reducing Russia's resources and capability, letting an easier crossing of the river possible. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.